Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel tab. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Go to menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match, and enable Hey Google function. Try it out. Hey Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Tap next, and now let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back. And now enter lock screen. Also, enable that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled. Lock the screen, and now simply say, Hey Google. Hey Google. What's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 80 and a low of 58.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.